Hi guys, it's Clarice. How are you? I just wanted to take a really quick moment and do this video to say thank you so much for all your lovely comments, all your words of encouragement, even your requests. They're as good as compliments to me. So I'm honored when people come and say, hey, can you do a video on this? Love it. So yeah, I just wanted to say a quick thank you, show you my face, although this is not my normal hair, but you know, whatever. It looks good, so I said, let's do this video today. So yeah, back to what I was saying. So thank you again so much. And part two of the reason for this video is I've had a couple of people ask me, am I putting out a book on watercolor? Am I doing a watercolor course? Because they totally pay for it. And I just wanted to ask you guys and get a consensus and just a feel for what you would look for. First of all, are you looking? Would you be interested? Not looking. I'm trying to find the right words here. Sorry. Would you be interested in a watercolor course? Firstly. Secondly, if you are, what are the kinds of things you would be looking to get from a watercolor course? So these are two things that I really want to heavily think about based on your comments. And please feel free to answer them below in the comments, or you can interact with me on Instagram or Facebook or even through my website. Again, all the links are below. As always, I love, I keep saying now it's in my head. I know, I'm so weird. Anyways, did it again. As I was trying to say, I'm going to try not to say As I was trying to say, interact with me, guys. I love it when you interact with me. I can't stop saying it now. This is getting out of hand. So I'm just going to end this video right here. Please interact with me. I love hearing your comments. I love the random interaction because I am that random person who will talk right back. So please carry on. And I love lost my train of thought. I love too many things. That's what it is. Too many things. Thanks again for everything. Love you guys.